Sino ba yung eligible for a retirement pay? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng empleyado you're obligated to pay them, eh, no? May certain qualifications na kailangan nilang i-meet before they can be considered retirees of a company. Ano ang mga to? Yan, i-bullet form natin para
Yeah.
mas
Okay.
ma-appreciate ng ating audience.
So again, ang pinaka-guide po natin dito if you want to learn more about the retirement law here in the Philippines is the Republic Act 7641. So kung lahat ng gusto niyo malaman about the retirement here in our country, ito yung kailangan ninyong i-research, RA 7641. Bullet natin ano yung mga kumbaga checklist para ikaw ay makatanggap ng retirement pay, no, based on this law. So first is it says that you have to reach the age of 60 years old. Yan. So not
Yes.
55, not 50, dapat 60 years old. As early as 60 years old, pwede ka na makakuha ng retirement pay. That optional pa lang yung 60 years old kasi you can go as high as 65.
65, yes.
Kapag naka-reach ka na ng 65, dapat na talagang bibigyan ka ng employer mo ng retirement pay. Pero it's not just based on the age. It's also based on the tenure, your tenure in the company. So dapat naka 5 years consecutive years of service ka with the company. Hindi pwedeng putol-putol na kunwari sa buong working year mo, in and out ka dun sa company, tigwa 1 year ka pero nakabuo ka ng 5 years. Dito
No.
dapat 5 years consecutive ka with the company and you reach the age of at least 60 years old. So that's when you are eligible to get a retirement pay here in the Philippines. But let me also give one note, no, na hindi merong exemption doon. Ang exemption doon is for companies who have less than 10 employees. Yan. So kung meron lang siyang 1 to 9 employees, hindi sila mandated to give out this retirement. So the company has to have 10 or more employees para mandated sila magbigay nitong retirement pay.